Hey friend, it's Megan Elizabeth from BuyMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the She Makes Club. Welcome back, and I'd love to show you some new things that I just arrived literally seconds ago from Close to My Heart. I just did a Facebook Live showing the updates of my craft room and the living room and all the set whatever changes, which we're still in the process of working on, but I like to show updates as we go so you can actually really see the transformation, not just, you know, the end. But I wanted to open this stuff up with you guys. I'm kind of surprised it came in 2 separate packages. So I don't know what all we're going to find in here, but I think it'll be fun. I did order a few new ink pads. I got some slimline cards and envelopes because I can never seem to have enough of the slimline. And the fact that they're already pre-scored, pre-cut with the envelopes, I just feel like you can't go wrong. And then some new shimmer trim. Now I will say, I wanted to point this out live or in a video or in something because I heard several comments about this. So this is the Grape ink pad. This is one of the newer colors that Close to My Heart released. And this is the Grape shimmer trim. You can see it's definitely not as deep and as dark, but it's still a beautiful purple color that coordinates really well, but it is definitely a lighter purple color than the Grape. So sometimes people feel it's a little misleading or they feel like there's a mistake. There's not. It's just simply a little bit lighter in that shimmer trim because it has that iridescent colored coating to it. It's just a little bit lighter. Same thing with the flamingo. It's a little bit different, but it still very well coordinates. And it's that beautiful, you know, flamingo pink color that we love so, so much. So the Grape is definitely by far the one that's the most, I don't want to say misleading, but most different if you're not prepared for it or know about it ahead of time. But it's beautiful. I've been using shimmer trim for years. It's so simple. It already has adhesive backed. It's 5 yards and it's 3/8 of an inch thick or wide. And again, they already have the adhesive back on there. So it's just so great to kind of peel and stick onto your projects, your cards, your scrapbook layouts, all of the good stuff. So I'm surprised this came in a separate envelope, to be honest with you, but I guess it's just the way the cookie crumbled with Close to My Heart for this order. So let's see here. Let's get this guy open. Literally opening this up with you, so we'll be surprised together by some of the things that we find. I mean, not totally surprised because, you know, I placed the order, but, you know. Okay, this I can't even really show you because this is April and May stamp of the month. I'm able to get those early as an advocate with Close to My Heart or a maker with Close to My Heart. If that's something you're interested in, let me know. Oh, that's what this is all about. This is the stuff. Okay, this is what we're going to be featuring in May. This is a sneak peek preview. I can't show you much more, but it is called the You Are Enough bundle, and it's what we're using in the 31 days She Makes Her Life journey inside She Makes Club, and it's beautiful. And I could not believe it when I saw the word strong, enough, brave, wonderful, and butterflies in there with gems. I was like, I swear to you, Close to My Heart reads my mind with my themes, and they've done so for years. So really excited about this. All right, that's going aside because I can't show you more with that yet. This is some cardstock. I got a right now for the month of March is called Cardstock Carnival or Carnival Cardstock, something like that. Man, I could be screwing up this name. I should know better. But incredible savings and deals on all the colors of cardstock that Close to My Heart offers. They're, this is something that I got specifically for March because they're having such amazing deals and discounts on the cardstock. So I stocked up on a few colors that I did want to have in the 12 by 12. So I am using a combination of Lawn Fawn cardstock still. I'm using a combination of Cutmates cardstock still. And I'm using Close to My Heart 12 by 12. The cool thing about Close to My Heart right now that they have done, it's a little bit of a lighter weight cardstock, okay? It's not as thick as that crazy 100-pound Lawn Fawn. But what they do that is genius, and they did this a couple years back, is their cardstock is dual-sided colors. So you have this beautiful coordinating color scheme on every single page. So this is the front of the fern and this is the back. You see that two-tone green that just beautifully accents and coordinates when you're working with Cricut cuts, and you need that color that like it goes but it doesn't clash and you're not trying too hard. This is a turn to for that, in every color. And there's an amazing deal to get all the colors all at once if you're really needing to restock the stock. This is the color Toffee. So again, the front and the back. So it's just that lighter accent color on the back. Just beautiful. So that's what I specifically needed, a little bit more of like the craftish color. The Toffee is brilliant in having that dual tone again. And then of course, because it's on sale and I always go through it and need it, I did get a neutrals pack. So I got, it has black, white, and pewter, I believe. I might be misspeaking and I hope I'm not. It should be black, white, and pewter. Yes. So 3 colors, 3 basics, use them constantly. The white is the same on both sides. The black is the same on both sides. Okay, so this isn't the dual. I believe pewter is the dual. So here we go with the pewter. So you can see the slight variation difference from front to back, really giving you that variety to work with in that shading. It's beautiful. All right. Any questions, let me know, and we're going to start creating today. Come on over and follow us at bymeganelizabeth.com. And if you're not already a member, check out the She Makes Club. We're doing an amazing 31-day She Makes Her Life journey in May. Every single month, we have a new theme, new Cricut cut files, and a new live creative workshop the second Sunday of every month. Tons of inspiration and fun all month long in the exclusive Facebook group and its own member portal website. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.